Over the years, many accidents have occurred not because of speeding, drinking, technical problems or human error, but because of tiredness. Tired long-distance drivers nod off while behind the wheel, inadvertently letting the truck drift from its lane. Lane keeping assistance is a function that helps the driver steer and keep the vehicle on course in the lane. The purpose is to reduce the workload to get more relaxed drivers and thereby increase road safety. The driver uses the steering wheel to easily select the desired position within the lane, centered, left or right. The system monitors lane markings and other features ahead of the truck and adjusts to follow the chosen track. If the driver uses the turn signals to change lanes, the system will deactivate to that side and let the driver maneuver unhindered. In case the driver actively steers across lane markings without using turn signals, the lane keeping assistance detects this and stands down until the driver returns to calm driving. The lane keeping assistance system is like a friendly co-driver. It gently helps to keep the truck on a smooth track within its lane.